Namaskara my dear students. I welcome you all to Physics Wala Kannada YouTube channel. Hello everyone. Hello. Start aitappa. Okay. Yes, it is started. Hello sir. When you will start? It started. Good evening. Good evening everyone. Tea biscuit aita. Okay. Did you people have the tea and all? Yes, it started appa. Okay. Fine. Good evening everyone. Good evening. Hengide? How are you all? How is your preparation going on? Yes, preparations ಹೆಂಗ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ? Good evening for the second exam. ಹೆಂಗ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ preparations? Are you people feeling confident enough? Confident ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ about the exam? Okay, good evening everyone. So ಇವತ್ತು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ? Today I'll do a revision type. Okay, ನೋಡಿ revision ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. Because definitely first exam ಇದ್ದಾಗ we have done that. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆ ಏನೇನು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಚಸ್ ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಟುಡೇ, ನೀವು ಈ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಓದಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? ಎಸ್, ಸೇಮ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್, ಬಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೆಸೆಸಿಟಿ ಬೇಡ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ, ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮೈ ಸೈಡ್, ನನ್ನ ಸೈಡಿಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹತ್ರ ಅನಾಲೈಸಿಸ್. ಆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳಿ, ಸರ್ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಒಂದು. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ದರ್, ಒನ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಇನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವೇ. ಫೈನ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಾನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಸೇಮ್ 56 ಕ್ವಶನಿಗೆ ಆರ್ 47th ಕ್ವಶನಿಗೆ ಈ ಮೂರು ಚಾಯ್ಸನ್ನು ಈ ಮೂರು ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿನೇ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ತೆಗ್ದಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದ ಕ್ವಶನಿಂದ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಫ್ಯೂ ಮೋರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡೆಡ್ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಸಿ ಟುಮಾರೋ, ಡೇ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ ಆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಹಂಗಿದ್ರ? ಎಸ್, ಶುಡ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್? ಚಲೋ, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. Yes. Nodi, last minute revision. If you see over here, today we are going to do your last minute revision. 60 marks sure shot. Last time kuda helidde. Last time also I had told that 60 marks illindane barbodu. 60 marks complete agi bandilla, but it came around 50 to 54 marks. Okay? ಆ ರೀತಿ ಬಂತು. ಬಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ರಿಪಿಟೇಷನ್, ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ರಿಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೂಡ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಯು ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 60 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಶ್ಯೂರ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್. ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಓವರ್ ಇಯರ್. ಚಲೋ, ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಕವರ್ಡ್. ಏನು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಇವತ್ತು? ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಯುವರ್ 3 marks. ಫೈನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ 6 marks. ಫೈನ್. 6 marks ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 marks ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾಡೋಣ. 6 marks and 4 marks. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 4 marks ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ 5 marks ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಫೈನ್, 5 marks ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 minute. ಓಕೆ, 5 marks ಕ್ವಶನ್, 3 marks. ಓಕೆ, 3 marks and 2 marks ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇವತ್ತು ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಫೈನ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಫೈನ್. 6 marks plus 4 marks, 5 marks, 3 marks and 2 marks. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವೇನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 50 to 60 marks. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? 50 to 60 marks. MCQs ಮತ್ತೆ ಫಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಸ್ ದರ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಡನ್. ಚಲೋ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ. ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ 6 marks ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೈ 3 probable ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 46. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 46ಗೆ ಈ 3 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಥರ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್? Yes, do this. Try ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್. Okay? Yes. Fine. Solve the following problems graphically. Minimize and maximize z is equals to 3x plus 9y. Subject to the constant x plus 3y less than or equals to 60, x plus y greater than or equals to 100, x less than or equals to y, and the given two conditions. Okay? Notes will be given. Notes definitely after the class will be given. Okay. Try madri. Try to get its maximum and minimum value. Minimum is 60 at 5,5. Very nice. Preparation is on track. Yes. Everyone practice. Practice madri one sati. Okay. We'll do it together. Chalo. So nodri illi. If you look at this now, in another aura, first constant is x plus 3y. Okay. You people know how to put the box and all. So necessity illa then mat box ag detailed ag madoda. We'll just take the points 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. E points tagondra. Is it okay? Fine. 10, 20, 30 and tilkori niva bekidre. This is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. Okay. Same here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and then 60 over here. Okay. Ee riti bartada. Next now if I take y value 0 over here, y value 0 tagondra, x value ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದ for the first constant line. If I take y value 0, okay, over there y value 0, x value will be 60 over here. Okay, e point banta. Similarly, if I take your x value 0, y value in bartada 20. Okay, so it will be this line. Clear students? Clear ada? Okay, is it clear? Fine. So nodri, this is the point over here. After that, x plus y greater than or equal to 10, less than or equals to this means it is moving towards the origin. Correct or no? Towards the origin. X plus y greater than or equal to 10 ada. X plus y greater than or equals to 10 andre e line banta. Okay, this is the line. Fine. Yes, this is the line over here. Fine. So what is happening over here? Moving away from the origin. Away from the origin andre ee riti banta. Similarly students over here, similarly now x less than or equal to y, x less than or equals to y andre it is a line passing through origin. Correct alla? Line passing through origin. So this is the line passing through origin. X less than or equals to y ada. When it will be possible? E point barbeka. Yes or no? See here. X is less than or equal to y. Fine. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಿ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಸ್ 5 and y value as 0. Is 5 less than or equals to 0? No, definitely not. Definitely not. So yes, which condition will be satisfied? X should be less than or equals to y andra. X value needs to be 0, y value needs to be 5. Then only your 0 will be less than or equals to 5. Andre yav point include agatada? This point. So whatever this graph is there, it should be moving in what? Upward direction over here. Okay. Ee riti upward direction. So which will be the common part now? Yav common part agtada? If you observe students, this is your common part over here. Okay. This is your common part. So this corner point is there, which is nothing but what? Yes, 20 comma 0. Fine. This is 20 comma 0 comma 20 over here. 0 comma 20. Fine. E corner point another. And what is this corner point? As someone told, this is 5 comma 5. Okay. E corner point in bartada. What is the value of this corner point? two equations, two lines are intersecting. One is x plus 3y equal to 60. Okay, x plus 3y is equals to 60. Another one is x equal to y. So you substitute madidra, 4y will be equals to 60 or y value is 15. Correct? Y value 15 andre x value kuda enagtade 15. So this point is 15 comma 15. Correct? Now max value and min value. Clear the max value and min value. Correct? So here you have corner points, and here you have nothing but what now? The max value, max and min value of objective function. Fine. Objective function enada z is equals to, you have nothing but what? 3x plus 9y. Okay, 3x plus 9y. Corner points enada nodri, it is nothing but what? 5 comma 5. Fine. And again you have 0 comma 20, and again you have 15 comma 15. Clear? So 5 comma 5, if I keep 5 comma 5 over here, 15 plus 45, which will be nothing but what? 60. 0 comma 20 litra, 9 2s are 18, 180 will get. 15 comma 15, 15 3s are 45 plus 15 9s are 135. Okay, if we add this both, 130, 170, 180. So both these points, whatever they are there, they'll act as what? Point of maxima. Understood everyone? Clear ada? Clear or no? Lagging? Is it clear now? Just a minute guys. Okay. Sir. Okay, fine. You can refresh once. Okay, once the refresh madri. If you refresh over here, then definitely it might be correct. Fine. How the it is problem from the YouTube side? Clear? From our side everything is clear. The lagging problem is from the YouTube side. Fine. So definitely what you can do, ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, refresh ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Fine. You refresh once, hopefully it will be correct. Okay. Chalo. So yes, this is how you are going to solve this problem. Teta, along both this points 0, 20, 15, 50, we'll get the what? Max value, and here we'll get the mean value. Okay. Chalo. Next question, ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು practice ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ? See, same type of question it is. Solve the following linear problem graphically, minimize. Here you have to only minimize. Simple kind of problem it is. Just minimize this. Subject to constants x plus 2y greater than or equals to 50, 3x plus 4y less than or equals to 24. Fine. Fine, it is problem aitada. YouTube side in problem aiti. We can't do anything. Fine. Yes. You people will do this problem. Solve ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಇದನ್ನ. Okay. Practice ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನ. Whichever problems are there for practice, I'll write it down as practice. Okay. After the class, when I give PDF ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾಗ, without missing these problems, you need to practice. Okay. Without missing, practice ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ. Okay. Done. Clear? Let us move on to next question over here. Yes. Solve the following linear programming problem graphically. Maximize and minimize. Yes, minimize and maximize. Z is equals to x plus 2y. Subject to the constant, 3 constants are given. Fine. Tomorrow's exam barbodi question. In tomorrow's day after tomorrow, sorry. Day after tomorrow it can come. Fine. 2025 nak barboda. There is a high possibility. 2025. Okay, ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರೋ 2025 M2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ 2. ಫೈನ್. ಡೂ ದಿಸ್ ಗೈಸ್. ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಡೂ ದಿಸ್. ಸೇಮ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ಫೈನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕಾ? ಟುಮಾರೋ ವೈಲ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಡೇ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ, ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಪುಟ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? So next here it is starting from what? 0, fine, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, clear? It has to go up till what? 200 mata hogbeka. So we can start with 20. Okay, we can start with 20, 20, 40, 50, sorry, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, clear? Yes. Yes, 160, 180, 200, fine. If you have done this problem, students, if you have done this problem, maximum 400 at 0, 200, minimum 100 at 0, 50. Very nice. Correct. It is. Okay. Till 20, 40, 60, 80. Okay. 100, 120, 140. Okay. This will go on continuing. Clear? Continue ಆಗ್ತದ. Let us see. Fine. ಇಷ್ಟನಾಗ plot ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ try ಮಾಡೋಣ. So y value if we take 0 over here, x value will be what? 100. Yes or no? Other now y value, if x value is 0, y value will be nothing but what? 50 over here. 50 is this point. So definitely it will be what? This line over here passing through these 2 points. Correct, Ada? Is it correct? Okay. After that, next we have x value 0, y value will be 200. 200 means somewhere here it will come. Let us think. And y value 0, x value 100 means this point. Okay. E point. So it will be like this. Clear? So next, if you observe now, students, over here, x y equal to 2x. 2x minus y other line less than or equal to 0, or this is nothing but what? 2x is less than or equal to y. 2x is less than or equals to y means it is a line passing through origin over here. Understood, Allah? Clear? Now which will be the common region? One is moving what? Id nodri. A line enagattada, it is moving away from the origin like this. Okay. This line is moving towards the origin. Fine. And another line, this line will be moving what? This side. Because another 2x is less than or equals to y. If you take any point over here, then only it will be satisfied. Correct? So which is a common region, students, over here? Yavadagtad common region? This is a common region. Fine. This is your common region. Correct? These are your corner points over here. Find the corner points. Substitute madri. You will get the answer. Understood? Clear, Ada? Okay. Someone had told me corner point. Yes, it is lagging up. I can't do anything. It is problem from YouTube side. Fine. You need once a refresh ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅದನ್ನ. Clear? Sir, last time uploaded video in the questions barutta. Yes, definitely ಬರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ. 100% it will come. Okay? Understood, guys? Yes, ಇದ್ರ ಮುಂದೆ ನೀವು definitely you can substitute the points and solve. Clear? If you are prepared, simply ನಿಮ್ಮ time waste ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡ್ರಿ. You people can sit and study. If you are prepared nicely for the exam. Okay, first time antu prepare ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ. Next is your 6 marks. Okay, next is your 6 marks. Again integration. Either you can do LPP problem. LPP problem ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ definitely you can do this problem. Okay, do. Yes, I'm going to skip because property antu prove ಮಾಡೋದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ easy ಅದ. Property proving is very easy. Okay, you have done the practice, so this is just a revision kind. ನೀವು ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿರೇನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಾಕ. This problem you have done or no? Just to tell that. Okay, 50, 100 and 20, 40. Okay, this point is what, ma? 20, 40. Yeah? This point is what? Okay, see, correct graphically I have not done it, so definitely there will be little bit error. So illen ಆಗ್ತದ, this point is 0, 50. This point is what? E point ಏನದ? This point is, yes, sir, I am studying class 12. I need video of class 12 PCM. Okay, 50, 100. This point is 50, 100. 50, 100 might be this point. ಓಕೆ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಿಮ್ದು 50,100 ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಯುಲ್ ಗೆಟ್. ಚಲೋ ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಎಸ್, this integration 0 to pi by 2 sin x minus cos x divided by 1 plus sin x into cos x. Easy alla ida? You people will do this, right? Integration over here. Clear? Martiralla? Fine. See, question number 46. Question number 46 definitely can repeat. Illind repeat agboda. 0 to pi by 2 sin x minus cos x ada. So how it can be done? 0 to, yes. How can we do this? Quickly elderly. How can we do this? First, try to do both the problems. ಎರಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಡೂ ಇಟ್. Multiply and divide by 2. Multiply and divide by 2. Yes. So 3 marks and all 2 marks and 3 marks also will be done. Okay. Fine. Yes. So ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ? If you see over here, if I use the property, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ integral I ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Integral I is equals to, yes, I is equals to 0 to pi by 2 sin x minus cos x divided by 1 plus sin x into cos x. Correct? ಈ ರೀತಿ ಅದ. So yes, if I use the property now, this property only, integral 0 to a f of x dx is 0 to a f of a minus x. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? 0 to pi by 2. Yes, it will be nothing but what? Sin property apply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ wherever x is there, sin pi by 2 minus x minus cos pi by 2 minus x divided by 1 plus sin pi by 2 minus x into cos pi by 2 minus x. Clear? So I will be equals to, from here I will be equals to integral 0 to pi by 2. Fine. Sin pi by 2 minus x. Sin pi by 2 minus theta is cos x minus sin x. Okay. Cos x minus sin x divided by 1 plus, yes, sin pi by 2, this is cos x into sin x. Add integrals adava. We have two integrals over here. This is second, this is first. Both the integrals we can add. Yes or no? Adding 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. Yes. So if we do that, yes. ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ? I will be equals to integral 0 to pi by 2. Fine. 0 to pi by 2. If I add, left hand side add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2i ಬರ್ತದ. Integral 0 to pi by 2. Right hand side if I add, cos x minus cos x will get cancelled, sin x minus sin x will get cancelled, 0 ಬರ್ತದ dx. So this implies that your 2i value is equals to 0, or this implies I value is equals to 0. Given integral value is 0. Understood? Given integral value is 0. Clear? Clear ada? Okay. Done? Yes. Last exam also, M1 exam, same property based it had come. M1 andra mathematics exam 1. Okay. M1 exam 2025 also same property it had come, guys. Same property bandida, nim kuda nenapada. Okay. Problem was different. Problem was integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x dx. Again there is no chances of repeating this. Clear? Bandre ee property banda ee problem barboda. Okay. Clear ada? Is it clear for everyone? Once you people can refresh if it is lagging. Refresh if it is lagging. Okay. Yes, definitely you should mention in the proof. Okay, then only you will get the marks. Clear adala? Next problem over here. If this is clear. Yes, prove that integral a to b f of x dx is equals to integral a to b f of a plus b minus x, and hence evaluate these two problems. Okay. M2 naga this question can come. Okay. M2 proving this property can come in your M2. Practice maad hogri. Exam 2 naga this question can come over here. Okay. Done? Clear adala? For M2 exam, you people can do this. Pi by 12 first. Very nice. Pi by 12 for the first one. Yes, same property you can apply over here and then solve. Okay, understood? I'll skip this. Next problem over here. Yes, integral, prove that minus a to a f of x dx 2 times 0 to a f of x dx if f of x is even, 0 if f of x is odd, hence evaluate this two integrals. Okay, fine guys. Now I am telling you, nodri illi, this already question idu bandada. Okay, this property already it has come, so there are chances either this question will come or we can go for this question. Okay, theta property, king's rule, queen's rule. Done. Clear? Yes. Too much lagging problem agatata. Fine. Too much problem is happening. Okay. Fine. Proof alla madangillappa. Already we have done 100 times proof. Fine. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾವೇರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ನಾಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ನಾಗ ಅದ. ಫೈನ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾಟ್ ನೆಸರಿ ಟು ಡೂ ದ ಪ್ರೂಫ್. ಓಕೆ, ಡನ್. ಸೊ I is equal to over here, I is equal to, yes, this problem I am solving. I is equals to integral, yes, ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin square x dx. Clear? Sin square x dx. Fine. So from here I value will be equals to what? I value will be equals to, yes, nodri ಇಲ್ಲಿ property apply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ it is an even function. This is an even function. So 2 times integral 0 to pi by 2, it will be nothing but what? Sin square x dx. Clear? Now using this property, cos 2x is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square x. Clear? So in rearrangement ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದ್ರ, if I do the rearrangement over here, your sin square x will be equal to 1 minus cos 2x, 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Yes or no? So same thing, I will be equals to 2 times into 1 by 2 ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂತ, 0 to pi by 2. Yes, it is nothing but what now? 1 minus cos 2x, 1 minus cos 2x dx. So yes, 2 will get cancelled. I value will be equals to what? Yes, x between 0 to pi by 2. Integration of this is nothing but what? Sin 2x divided by 2 between 0 to pi by 2. Clear? So here if we substitute now, I value if we see, yes, so ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, first integral it will be pi by 2 minus 0 pi by 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ sin 0 value is 0, sin pi value is also 0. So the only answer is I value is pi by 2. Correct or no? I value is pi by 2 over here. Okay, done. Okay, clear ada? Chalo. So next problem nodri ಈಗ 4 marks problem. In 4 marks problem, students, over here, last time whatever I told, it did not come, so e time antu definitely bandbekaಗ್ತದೆ. Okay, find the value of k so that the function defined by f of x is equals to kx plus 1 if x is less than or equals to pi, cos x if x is greater than pi, is continuous at x equal to pi. Okay, yes, yes, do it guys. 2 and 3 marks ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಮ್ಮ, ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ವಿಲ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್ 4 marks 5 marks. Okay, all this. So yes, this condition at least you people know. Correct? ಎರಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. once I check and come. Okay, ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗತ್ತದ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್. ಏನಮ್ಮ ಅಮೂಲ್ ಸರ್ ಚಾಲು ಮಾಡಿದೀಯಾ ಮತ್ತೆ? ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ನಾವ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅದೇ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗ? ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್? ಫೈನ್. ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್, ಚಲೋ. ಸೊ ಇದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂತೂ ಈಸಿ ಅದ. ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಕೆ ಇಫ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್. ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಪೈ ಮೈನಸ್, okay, of f of x. Pi minus andre ena when it is less than. So here it should be kx plus 1 should be equal to limit as x tends to pi plus cos x should be equal to what? Yes, value of the function f of pi. Correct or no? F of pi. So yes, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು direct substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ k times pi plus 1, okay, should be equal to cos pi value minus 1 should be equal to f of pi. Exactly equal to idaga, yes or no? So it should be nothing but what? K times pi plus 1 over here. So this if you see over here, yes, ಏನು ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ? K pi plus 1 is equals to minus 1. This implies that your K value is minus 2 by pi. Correct? K value is minus 2 by pi. Understood everyone? Okay, minus 2 by pi. Sir, KCET. Fine. ಮತ್ತೆ ಚಾಲು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಇವ್ರ KCET marks and this. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ನೀವು? ಇಷ್ಟು ಗಡ್ಬಡಿ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಕೆ ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಫ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 5, 3x minus 5, x greater than 5 continuous. Same process. Okay, same process. Either this question might come guys, ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದಾ, or else this question might come over here. Okay, be prepared for both of them. Done. Chalo. Next, find the values of a and b so that the function f of x is equals to, yeah, okay, second one answer is 9 by 5. Very nice. Okay, next question, find the values of a and b so that the function f of x is equals to x less than or equals to 5, x between 2 and 10 it is ax plus b, and 21 is continuous. Solve this. Do this guys, ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನ. Yes, fine. So ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Find the values of a and b function they are telling continuous. So first we will take continuous. ನೋಡ್ರಿ function definition ಎಲ್ಲಿ change ಆಗತ್ತದ? 2 and 10. Yes or no? Let us take continuous at x equal to 2. Okay, let us take continuous at x equal to 2. So if we take that, ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Limit as x tends to 2 minus of f of x. 2 minus ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ? When x is less than 2, so which is 5, should be equal to limit as x tends to 2 plus. Okay, 2 plus andre ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? Greater than 2, it will be ax plus b, which will be equals to what now? Yes, f of 2 value over here, f of 2 value. Clear alla? Fine. So from here now, this will become nothing but what, students? Phi is equals to 2a plus b is equal to f of 2 value. F of 2 value is nothing but what? Again phi. Clear? So ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ? one equation ಬಂತ, 2a plus b is equal to 5. Similarly for this second one, what we'll do over here? Fine. Similarly for the second one over here, x value continuous at what? Continuous at x equal to 10. E point ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Continuous at x equal to 10. So it will be nothing but what? Limit as x tends to 10 minus of f of x. 10 minus andre ena? X is less than 10. So here it will be ax plus b now, equal to limit as x tends to 10 plus. 10 plus value is what? Greater than 10. 21 equal to f of 10 value. Clear? So in bantu illinda, here if you substitute, it will be 10x plus b will be equal to 21, equal to 21. So therefore 10x plus b equal to 21. Yard equations banta. 2 equations we have got, 2 unknowns. Easily we can solve now. Yes or no? So ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 2a plus b is equal to 21. Okay, here it is 10a. Fine. 10a, 10a. So 2a plus b is equals to 21. 10a plus b is equals to 21. Fine. Yes. 2a plus b equal to 5. 2a plus b is equals to 5. 10a plus b is equals to 21. Subtract madidre, if you subtract this over here, this will get cancelled. Fine. 2 minus 10a will be nothing but what? Minus 8a. 5 minus 21 ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? Yes, 21 minus 5 is nothing but what? Minus 16 over here. So a value is nothing but what? 2. A value is 2 over here, correct? Fine. 5 minus 21 is minus 16. A value 2. A value 2 bantandre, if you substitute over here, 2 times of 2 plus b equal to 5. So b value is nothing but what? 1. Same values banta. Everyone got same. A value 2, b value 1. Very nice. Very nice. Correct. If it is lagging, once refresh madri. Ashta. Okay. Chalo. A value 2, b value is 1. Next problem. This is again easy, guys. You need to find the relationship between a and b so that function is continuous. Already function continuous anata raura. If it is continuous, a value 2, b value 1. Yes, correct. Fine. If the function is continuous at x equal to 3, so limit as x tends to 3 minus of f of x. 3 minus means what? Less than tagobeka. So ax plus 1 should be equal to limit as x tends to 3 plus, yes, ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದ? bx plus 3 should be equal to what now? Exactly value of the function 3 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ. Here it will be 3a plus 1. Fine. So if you substitute, this will be 3a plus 1 is equal to, yes, 3a plus 1 is equals to 3b plus 3. Fine. 3b plus 3. So ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ? Yes, is equals to 3a plus 1. You can take any one equality over here. 3a plus 1 is equals to 3b plus 3. Rearrange madri. 3a minus 3b is equals to minus 2, or this implies that a minus b is equal to minus 2 by 3. Okay. A minus b is equals to minus 2 by 3. Clear? Very nice. Minus sign will come. Minus sign will come. Okay. Because, okay, sorry. Plus sign only will come, right? 3 minus 1 is 2. So, ilen banta 2 by 3. A minus b is equals to 2 by 3. Yes. Or a is equals to, or another form is a is equals to b plus 2 by 3. Whichever you want, you can write. Up to you people. Is clear aata? This is the relationship between what? A and b. Clear? Fine ada? Okay? Yes. Chalo. Next question. See, simple question ada. Fine. Show that the matrix, this is your OR question. 4 marks OR question ada ida. 4 marks OR question. 4 marks. Clear? Question number 47 continue agatada. Okay. Question number 47 is only continuing over here. Understood? No? Clear ada ala? Show that the matrix A 2, 3, 1, 2 satisfies the equation a square minus 4a plus I is equals to 0. I is 2 cross 2 identity matrix. O is 2 cross 2 0 matrix. Using the equation A inverse. Using the equation what? A inverse. Clear? Fine. Done. Clear ada? Okay. Understood everyone? So this you people can practice. Simple problem it is. Using the given equation only. First you need to verify. This equation ಏನದ verify ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡಿ. You are getting 0 or no. After that go to find what? A inverse. ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ ಇದನ್ನ problem. Definitely you will do it. Okay. ಚಲೋ. So if A is equals to 2, 3, 1 minus 4, B is equals to 1 minus 2 minus 1, 3, then you need to verify that AB whole inverse is equals to B inverse A inverse. AB whole inverse is equals to what? B inverse A inverse. Clear? Simple problem. A inverse ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ? A inverse is nothing but adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Clear? So how much is determinant of A from here? Yes. Minus 6 minus 3 minus 9 ಬರ್ತದ. Yes or no? 4 2s are minus 8 minus 11. Okay. So this is nothing but what? Minus 1 by 11. Fine. Into adjoint of matrix. Interchange these elements. Minus 4, 2. Change the sign of these elements. Minus 3, minus 1. Clear ada? Similarly, determinant of B over here is nothing but what? 3 1s are 3. 3 minus 2 will be 1. So B inverse is equals to adjoint of B divided by determinant of B. Correct? So ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ B inverse ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ B inverse will be equals to yes adjoint of B value. Determinant value 1 ada. Adjoint of B value will be nothing but what? Interchange this 3 1, change the sign of this 2 and 1. Okay. Now if we do B inverse A inverse, B inverse multiplied by A inverse will be equals to what? In bartadillinda. Look at this students. 1 by minus 1 by 11 will keep outside. 3 2 1 1 multiplied by minus 4 minus 3 minus 1 2. Okay, so if you do this minus 1 by 11, yes, illin multiply madidra, so minus how much it will be? Minus 12 minus 2 andre minus 14. Okay, again this minus 9, yes, 3 3s are minus 9 minus 9 plus 4 5 banta. Okay, this into this minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5, again this into this minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. Clear ada? Understood everyone? Yes? Done? Next now students over here, next year AB matrix find madidra, what will get? See, yes, what will get over here if you find AB matrix? 2 ones are 2, correct? 2 minus 3 is minus 1, il minus 1 banta. Fine. Again if you see your yes, 2 2s are 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, minus 4 plus 9 is 5, correct? 5 antida. Okay, this is 5 over here, sorry, minus 5 bartada, because minus 4 plus 9, yes, it will be plus 5. Fine. Next in bartadilli, what will happen over here guys? 1, yes, 1 into 1 1, 1 plus 4 is again 5, here we will get 5. Okay, again you will get minus 2 minus 12 minus 14. Okay, minus 14 ee riti banta. So next is you have AB inverse. AB whole inverse is nothing but adjoint of AB divided by determinant of B. So yes, if you find the determinant over here, determinant ನೀವು find ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ? Yes, if you find the determinant of this 14 minus 25, which is nothing but what? 14 minus 25 is minus 11. So minus 1 by 11. Interchange the diagonal elements over here. So you'll minus 14 minus 1. Change the sign of this. So minus 5 minus 5. Okay. Ee riti banta. Where I have done mistake? You'll multiplication madad munda. Okay. Minus 9 plus 4 minus 5. Okay. This is also minus. Clear students? So it is verified that your AB whole inverse is equals to B inverse A inverse. Understood this problem? Tirita? Clear ada? Yes or no? AB whole inverse is equals to B inverse A inverse. Simple problem. Next, let us go for this. Same type of problem ada. Okay. You can practice this. Same we need to verify. Practice madri. Don't give up guys. If you are attempting second exam and want to score good than first marks, you need to practice. Clear? Second exam kodatiri. Why you are giving second exam? First exam chalo hogilla ante ಹೇಳಿ. So if you want to score better in the first exam, second exam, practice you need to do. What practice questions you will do? I'm already giving you questions. Ade questions ana practice ಮಾಡಿ. Okay? Done? Chalo. Next question will go. Yes, next is a part D. Next part is part D. Part D naga all we will have is what? Your 5 marks problems. 5 marks. Okay? Problems. Done? Chalo. Yes. Let R be the set of all real numbers such that the function f from R to R given by f of x is equals to 1 plus x square is 1 1 onto or bijective. You need to justify your answer. Madri. Do it guys. I'll give you 2 minutes time. Think madri. Try to do it by yourself. Solve madri at least. Yes, how to do? ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? Yes, I'm here only guys. I gave you 2 minutes time to solve ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. Is it 1 1 on 2? Correct? Is it 1 1 on 2? Tell me whether it is 1 1 and on 2. Yes, tell me first. F is not 1 1 and not on 2 function, sir. Okay, very nice. Clear? Very nice. Okay, so first we'll verify 1 1 condition. 1 1 condition over here. Okay, 1 1 condition anna verify madidra. What we do for all x1 comma x2 belongs to what? Set of real numbers, because function is defined on what? Set of real numbers. Correct or no? We take what in consider ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, f of x1 should be equal to what? F of x2 ಅಂತ consider ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Yes or no? That is 1 plus x1 square should be equal to 1 plus x2 square. Okay, 1 and 1 will get cancelled, so x1 square will be equals to x2 square. Fine, or this implies that x1 is equals to plus or minus x2. So in condition verify aata. Is it 1 1? No. So therefore we can tell that f of x1 is equals to f of x2 does not imply that x1 is equals to x2. It implies that x1 equal to x2 or x1 equal to minus x2. Different inputs adava. So therefore your f is 1 1. Okay, method of solving is another. Don't give example over here, they will cut your marks. If you give the examples over here, they will cut your marks. Understood? No? Fine. Next, on to proof madak helidara. Justify your answer means you need to prove this. Clear? No? Okay, next nodri on to, we say that for every y belongs to R, there exists a x belongs to R such that your y should be equal to f of x, and that is your range should be equals to what? Range should be equal to codomain. Correct? Range ಮತ್ತು codomain ಏನು ಆಗಬೇಕಾ? Equal ಆಗಬೇಕಾ? So given function is what guys over here? F of x is equals to what we have? X square plus 1 ada. Yes or no? X square plus 1 ada. We know that whatever square of any function is there, x square is always greater than or equals to 0, square of a function. So we'll add 1 madidra, x square plus 1 is again greater than or equal to 1. Understood? So f of x is what here? F of x is greater than or equal to 1. This implies that f of x belongs to what, students, over here? Closed 1 to infinity. Correct? So this is nothing but what? Range of the function. This is the range. And what is the codomain they have given? Codomain is nothing but what? Set of real numbers. Set of real numbers means minus infinity to infinity ada. Understood? Method of solving clear ada? Yes, minus infinity to infinity ada. So from here we can tell that your range of the function is not equal to codomain. So if range is not equals to codomain, therefore f is not on 2. Clear? Here also I have done mistake. F is not 1 1. Okay, f is not 1 1. Understood? Clear ada? What if we prove the same by giving example? Definitely marks cut ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಮ್ಮ. If you give the example and do it, then definitely they will cut your marks. 1 marks ಅಂತೂ definitely cut ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. They're telling that justify your answer. They're telling justify your answer means in general ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇದನ್ನ. Okay, this is the method to do it. Clear? Done? Okay, understood? Fine. So let us move next. Let f be a function from n to y, be a function defined as f of x is equals to 4x plus 3, where y is equals to y belongs to n, y is equals to 4x plus 3. For some x belongs to n, show that f is invertible. You need to find the inverse of f. Okay, first you need to show that what? F is invertible. Clear ada? Yes. See, generally don't try to give example. Okay, example kodak hogbadri. Don't go to give example. Fine. I have seen where they have cut the marks. Fine. I have seen where they have cut the marks, so I am telling you ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಫ್ಯೂ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್. ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮೀ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪೇಪರ್. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕಟ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, example ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ definitely few professors will be there, they will cut the marks. So it is better don't give the example, go by the method. Yes, it's definitely enough. Priya, Mahesh, it's enough. Okay, chalo. So if f is a function from n to y, be a function defined by f of x is equals to 4x plus 3, y is this set, show that f is invertible. Okay, yes, ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್? You people will do this. F is 1 1 and on to, yes, that is the first step you need to do for this problem. See, I'll give you the step what you need to do. Step 1, prove f is 1 1 and on to. Okay, you need to prove that f is 1 1 and on to. Then this will imply that it is bijective, and if it is bijective then it will imply that f is what? Invertible. F is invertible. Giving the list of all important problems. Okay, ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅದ, ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನ, ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್. ಫೈನ್, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಗೈಸ್? ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್, ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದಟ್ ಎಫ್ ಇಸ್ 1 1 and on to bijective ಅದ, ಎಫ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಟಿಬಲ್. Fine, if f is invertible then you will go to find the inverse. For inverse what you will do? Y is equals to, you will take f of x. Okay, this is a step 2, inverse find mado method. Clear? This much will carry your 3 marks. Fine, proving that it is 1 1 on to writing this. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಏನದಲ್ಲ, ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಯೋರ್ 2 marks. ಸೊ 3 + 2 ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 5 marks. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅದ? ಸೊ y is equals to will be what? f of x, that is 4x plus 3. Correct? So what you will do? Interchange y and x. Okay, so if you interchange y and x over here, okay, y and x over here, so ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, x will be equals to 4y plus 3, or this implies that 4y will be equals to x minus 3, or we can tell that y is equals to x minus 3 divided by 4. Okay, x minus 3 divided by 4. Clear adala? Is it clear guys? Okay, fine. Y is equals to x minus 3 divided by 4. So therefore I can tell that the inverse of the function f inverse of x is equal to x minus 3 divided by 4. Fine. If you do this much, you will get what? Step alla talking about method. On to confusing for this. What about repeated questions? Which repeated questions appa? Okay, fine. Method you want for onto over here. Okay, onto ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. So see, onto what you will tell guys, first statement already it will always it will be this. For every, okay, for every y belongs to y, y belongs to y. Why akka? Because the function is from where to where? F is a function from n to set of natural numbers. Yes or no? So for every y belongs to y, okay, for every y belongs to y, what you will tell over here students? And y is nothing but what? Y is equals to y belongs to n other. Fine, and y belongs to n. Then what you can tell over here students? You can tell over here that your f of x, okay, f of x is equals to y. Clear? So f of x another, they have given 4x plus 3 is equal to y over here. Okay, so what will happen from here now? Y will be equals to, yes, or else we can tell that if we bring this side, 4x will be equals to y minus 3, and x will be equals to what? Y minus 3 divided by 4. Clear it is? Yes. Y belongs to set of natural numbers. Is it onto? Is it onto? Tell me first. Onto other? Is it onto or not onto? Tell. Is it onto? Yes. How it is onto? Yes, it is both 1 1 and what? Onto over here. Yes or no? So we can tell that for every y belongs to n, there exists x belongs to n. Fine. So therefore range is equals to what? Codomain over here. Range is equals to codomain ಆಗ್ತದೆ. If range equals to codomain, then function is what? F of x is onto. Okay. So this is the method. Clear? Clear Ada? Fine. Yes. Chalo. So next question over here. Do this. Fine. This also question is simple. In madbeka, you need to show that if that function 3 minus 4x is 1 1 and onto or bijective, and you need to justify your answer. Clear Ada? Okay guys. Fine. Practice madri. Okay. After the class, just practice all these questions over here. I'll give the PDF. Okay. PDF notes kodteni. Important questions ivella. These are all important questions. Definitely if you practice this, I'm talking about 6 marks, 4 marks, 5 marks, 3 marks and 2 marks. Ist question with concept understanding. Yeah, Priya Mahesh. Yes, sati helod nimga. If you practice these questions with nimdena proper concept understanding jote madidra, definitely you will score a good marks. Okay, definitely you will score a good marks. Fine. Clear? Both 1 1 and onto. Yes, this is also both 1 1 and onto. Clear? Okay, done. Chalo. Next problem, see, this is all matrices problem. If A is 1 2 minus 3 5 0 2 1 minus 1 1, B is equals to 3 minus 1 2 4 2 5 2 0 3, and C is this, then you need to compute A plus B and B minus C. Also you need to verify that A plus B minus C is equals to A plus B minus C. Fine. Yes, I'll skip this. Fine. Practice madri then. All these problems are easy. Simply let us not waste time. Practice madri. Okay. Done. Yes. Again, this is a very important problem. Important problem ada ida. It can be repeated, guys. ನಂಗೆ ಅನ್ಸಾದದ 2025 math exam 2 ಇದ problem ಬರ್ಬೋದ. This only problem can come over here. Okay. For your 2022, sorry, 2025 exam 2. Fine. This problem might come. Okay. Chalo. Next problem. If A is this, B is given matrix, C is given matrix, then you need to compute AC, BC and A plus B into C. Also you need to verify that A plus B into C is equals to AC plus BC. Clear? Okay. LPP problem already ಮಾಡಿಸಿದೀನಪ್ಪ starting ಗೆ. Okay. LPP problem already done. Fine. So this also you can practice, guys. Simple problems these are all. 2x speed mein I'll do. Chalo, we'll do it in 2x speed. Fine. Look at this problem. Solve the system of linear equations by matrix method. By matrix method you need to do. I'll give you the basic idea. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? I hope you people have done this kind of problems. Matrix A will be coefficient matrix over here. Coefficient matrix mein andre ಏನು ಬರ್ತದ? 2 minus 3 5. Okay, 2 minus 3 5, 3 2 and minus 4. Okay, again it will be 1 1 and minus 2. Clear? X equal to will be nothing but what? X, Y and Z. Fine. Okay, and matrix B will be nothing but what? 11 minus 5 and minus 3. Okay, next if you want to solve this system, whatever this is there can be expressed in the form of what? Ax is equals to B form naga. Correct? Or x will be equals to what? A inverse into B, where A inverse is equals to what? Adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Ist madidra definitely it is sufficient, students. Okay, you need to find A inverse and do it. All these three problems are same for question number 41. Nodri, either this problem can come over here or this problem can come. Solve the system of linear equations by matrix method. Fine. Last time idan bandaiti. Okay, or your this problem might come. Okay, 2024 nag bandaiti problem. This is in your 2024. Again 2025 M2 exam it can repeat. Okay, there are chances. Clear? Done. Done. Chalo. Next it might be this question. Solve the system of linear equations by matrix method. This is a 2023 problem. Clear other? Okay. So all three I have included. Done? Yes, if it is lagging, I can't do anything. Nan kayagilla the lag agoda. It is there in YouTube people hand. They should look after this. Yes, next is this. If y is equals to a e power mx plus b nx, fine. Then show that d square y by dx square minus m plus n dy by dx plus mn y is equals to 0. Do it, guys. MCQ already channel nag adavappa. Okay, already there are long lectures. You can follow that. Done? Yes. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? First time differentiate this. When we differentiate dy by dx over here, dy by dx will be equals to what? A m e to the power of mx plus b n e to the power of nx. Correct? One more time differentiate this. D square y by dx square. ಏನು ಬರ್ತದ? It will be a m square e to the power of mx plus b n square e to the power of nx. Just come and substitute over here. All these values, whatever is there, you people can substitute over here. You will substitute matrix d square y by dx square. So it will be a m e to the power of mx plus b n e to the power of nx. Fine, sorry. A m square b n square. Correct? Multiply this by m and n. Correct? So minus will come a m e to the power of, yes, m into m, it will be nothing but what? M square e to the power of mx. Fine. Plus minus, it will be nothing but what? bm e to the power of mx. Fine. Next in bartad nodri illi. What will come next over here? bmn will come. Correct? Yes. bmn e to the power of nx plus will not come, minus bartad ella terms. Minus amn e to the power of mx minus bn square e to the power of nx plus m into n of y. Correct? Means it will be nothing but what? Plus amn e to the power of mx plus bmn e to the power of nx. Ishta substitute ಮಾಡೋದ? So this will get cancelled, this will get cancelled, this will get cancelled, this will get cancelled. ಇದೆರಡು cancel ಆಗ್ತಾವ, this two will get cancelled, equal to 0, which is nothing but your RHS. Hence proved. That's it. 5 marks. Okay, ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 5 marks ಬರ್ತದ. Next problem. If y is equals to sine inverse of x, then you need to show that 1 minus x square d square y by dx square minus x dy by dx is 0. Okay, important problem ada. Fine. This is your, might come in your 2025. Fine. M2 exam. ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಇದನ್ನು. Chances are there. Okay, chances are there, guys. You want to learn maths from Baresh sir. Okay, why man? What I am teaching you are not understanding. Fine, do. So from here, first step in ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, differentiate this dy by dx, dy by dx. Correct? Differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು 1 divided by under root of 1 minus x square. Cross multiply ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, under root of 1 minus x square into y1 is equals to 1. Square on both the sides. So 1 minus x square into y1 square is equal to 1. Correct hada? Fine, 1 square is 1. Multiply y1 square minus, it will be nothing but what? X square into y1, okay, square is equals to 1. Differentiate now. Again differentiate ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. So if you differentiate over here, it will be 2y1, correct, into y1 differentiation is what? y2 ಬರ್ತದೆ. Yes or no? 2y1 into y2 minus. Here also if you differentiate, product rule apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? Or else yes, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದನ continue ಮಾಡೋಣ, however it is. Fine. So 1 minus x square, let it be as it is. Differentiation of this will be nothing but what? 2y1. Okay. y1 differentiation is y2 plus ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಆಗ್ತದ? y1 square as it is. Differentiation of this is nothing but what? Minus 2x is equals to 0. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, we can take 2y1 common. Okay, 2y1 common if we take, it will be 1 minus x square into y2. Okay, minus it will be nothing but what? Minus it will be 2x into y1 is equals to 0. So y1 can't be equals to 0. So what should be equals to 0 now? 1 minus x square into y2 minus x into y1. Okay, 2 ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay, so this will be minus, yes, x y1 equal to 0. So this is the answer. Clear? Understood how to prepare? Start preparations from now. Okay, done. Understood how to solve this? Correct. 5 marks easy problems adava. This is also a easy problem guys. 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x. ಎರಡು ಸತಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಫೈನ್, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಚಲೋ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಆಫ್ 1 by x square minus a square with respect to x and hence evaluate integration of 1 by x square minus 16. This all problems, ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, all these problems practice once guys. Easy problems adava. We have done it so many times. Correct or no? So many times we have done this problem. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸತಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ done. It will be done for your examination. Clear? Yes. ಚಲೋ. So this problem and this problem ಮೂರು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. I'll give you the PPT. Clear? I'll give you the PPT. ಚಲೋ. Next is find the general solution of this differential equation. Try this. ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಈಗ. Do this. Do this guys. Do this. 2 minutes, 1 minute time I'll give. Try to do. Try ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಕ್. Done now? Done. ಸರ್ ಪೆನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಒಬ್ಬವನ ತನ್ನ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿನು. ಚಲೋ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಈಗ? ಎಸ್, ಸೊ dy by dx plus here it will be 2 by x y, okay, equal to x log x. Fine, x log x. Done? Yes. I'll skip this integrating factor. Another quickly we'll finish. No, integrating factor. integrating factor is nothing but what? E to the power integration of 2 by x dx, e power 2 log x, okay, or which is nothing but what? X square. Then shift agi e and log will get cancelled, correct? General solution will be nothing but what? Yx square, okay, yx square equal to integration of, yes, ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, x log x is already there, fine, so it will be x cube into log x dx plus c, clear? X into x square into x log x, x cube ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So here if you integrate x square y equal to, yes, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, this logarithmic function is always a first function, this is a second function, clear? So if you solve this now, ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, log x as it is, integration of x cube will be x to the power of 4 divided by 4 minus integration of log x differentiation is 1 by x, integration is again what? X to the power of 4 divided by 4 dx plus c, clear? So this will get cancelled over here. So x square y will be equal to what? X to the power of 4 divided by 4 log x minus, here this will be cube, so yes, minus, it will be x cube integration will be x power 4 divided by 4, so x power 4 divided by 16 plus c, fine. Or else ಇನ್ನೊಂದು extra step ಅಂದ್ರೆ you can what? Cross multiply x square throughout. So x square if you cross multiply throughout, y equal to ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, x square divided by 4 log x, fine, minus x square by 16 plus c x to the power of minus 2, that's it. So this is what you will get, clear? Understood ada? Understood on? Clear alla? Okay, that's it. This is how simple it is. Next problem ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. We'll go for next problem guys. ಚಲೋ, find the general solution of differential equation dy by dx y is secant x tan x. Practice ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇದು, you people can do this, okay? Easy problem ada, you people can practice this, okay? Practice makes man perfect, okay? Not only man, woman also, understood? Done. Video lag agattada, extremely sorry guys, extremely sorry for that inconvenience that has been caused to you, okay? Fine, not sure why it is happening like that, okay? Yes, it is all due to YouTube inconveniences. Nam kadsin clear ada, okay? There is no problem, from morning it is occurring guys, aa riti agatada, but extremely sorry from my side, okay? Done. Chalo, next problem will go. Solve the differential equation y dx plus x minus y e power of y dy equal to 0. Try this. Solve madak try ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನ. Yes, y into secant x plus tan x equal to secant x plus tan x minus x plus c. Very nice. Correct answer. Hello everyone, good evening. ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ನೀ ದೊಡ್ಡ ರೌಡಿ ಅಮ್ಮ ನೀನು, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗ್ ಪಂಚ್ ಹೊಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓಕೆ. Solve the differential equation y dx plus x minus y ey is equal dy is equals to 0, okay? Fine, chalo. So from here y dx, okay, y dx here y dx plus ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, minus will get changed, so directly I am doing this will be equals to, or else ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, if I take minus sign common over here, it will be nothing but what? Yes, y e to the power of y minus x dy is equals to 0. Yes or no? I'll take this side, so y dx, okay, y dx will be equals to y e to the power of y minus x dy, correct? Now this is a second form, okay? ಈ problem ನಿಮ್ದ second form ನ್ಯಾಗ ಅದ, keep this in mind guys, second form. Now what do we mean by second form over here? It is nothing but dx by dy plus p of x equal to q. It is in this form because I'll cross multiply now. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, dx by dy ಆಗ್ತದ, and here if we cross multiply y, it will be nothing but what? E to the power of y minus x by y, because here y will get cancelled. This will come this side. So dx by dy plus x by y is equals to e to the power of y. Clear, Ada? Understood, guys? Clear? Fine. That's it. So if you solve this over here, okay, if you solve this over here, the integrating factor will be nothing but what? E power integration of p dy. Clear? E power integration of what? Yes, 1 by y dy. So which will be nothing but what? E to the power of log y. Okay, which is nothing but what? Y. Ishta simple. Correct or no? So integrating factor is y. General solution the general solution will be y into e to the power of y is equals to integration of, yes, here it will be nothing but what? Again, sorry, here it will be, general solution will be x into y, this y, equal to integrating factor y, q is e to the power of y dy is plus c. So if you integrate this xy, then integration y e power y integration is nothing but what? E power of y into y minus 1 plus c. So this is the answer. This is the final answer. Clear, Ada? Understood, everyone? Clear or no? Fine. Feeling scared for Comet K? PYQs madogri. Go with PYQs. Fine. Done. Chalo. ತಿರುಗೋದು ನೋಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಕಣ್ಣೆಲ್ಲ ತಿರುಗಿದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫ್ರಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್, ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದಮ್ಮ? ಓಕೆ ಡನ್. This is the simple process. Next problem is find the general solution of this differential equation. Agdi easy problem ada. Nothing you need to worry about this. Integrating factor find madri and then go for the solution. Okay. Fine, guys. Done. So practice this. Martiralla, please practice. Okay. I have given you 3-day study plan. 3-day study plan alli last model question paper anta ittidde. Definitely instead of model question paper, if you are not confident enough, ee problems ana maad hogi. Done. Yes, this is again question number 43. Question number 43, applications of integrals naga. In your applications of integrals, okay, applications of integrals, 5 marks 1 sure short question bartada. 5 marks 1 sure short question. And first question is this. Clear? First question idu barboda. Direct agi first question might be this. Already this has come in what? Your 2025, okay? 2025 already this question has come. M1 exam. Yes, I'll skip this, guys. Fine. Or second possibility might be this. Find the area of the ellipse x square by a square, y square by b square is equals to 1 by method of integration. Correct? By method of integration, you should solve this. Third problem might be this. Find the area of the ellipse x square by 16 plus y square by 9 equal to 1 by method of integration. Clear, Ada? Done. Idu 3 problem barboda. Done, guys. Okay, fine. So practice all these 3 problems. Practice madri. Once practice madri saaka. Already you have done this. Fine. This is just I'm asking you people, you have done this or not. Okay. Done. Chalo. Part C. I am lagging. I am not lagging, madam. YouTube is lagging. How I will lag? Tell me. Done? Chalo. Part C. Next is your part C. Part C nag all are 3 marks problems, guys. 3 marks. See, we finished 6 marks, 4 marks, 5 marks. Next is your 3 marks. Clear? 3 marks nag nim first problem is this. Check if the relation R in the set of real numbers given by R is equals to AB such that A less than or equals to B is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. See, here they are not telling justify. Here they are not telling justify or prove that. Just in another check if the relation R in the set of real numbers. Okay. Check, only they are telling that check the relation. Yes or no? Here they are telling that check the relation. LPP already done up, Prajwal. Just to go to starting of the video, we did first LPP only. Okay. Fine, Ada. Not really. Fine. Yes. So check if the relation are. So you can give the example. If you get one also order pair which is not satisfying, definitely it is done. Okay, done. Yes. So first of all, we'll check reflexive. Reflexive condition check madona. Okay. Reflexive condition says that what? For all A belongs to R. Okay. Your A comma A order pair must belongs to R. Okay. Set of real numbers are not arala, so R I have taken. So yes, this implies that what? A should be less than or equals to A, and every real number we know that what? It is less than or equals to itself, less than or equal to other. Okay, less than or equal to. So definitely this is what? Reflexive. Understood, guys? Understood? No? For all A belongs to R, A comma A belongs to R. Reason is why, or you can tell that this is because A is less than or equals to A, and it is true. Reflexive is done. Symmetric. Whether it is symmetric, fast. Tell me, guys, whether it is symmetric. Other in symmetric. Whether it is symmetric. Tell fast. Tell fast. Whether it is symmetric. Tell. See, what we can tell. For all 1 comma 2 belongs to the relation R. Okay. 1 is less than or equals to 2. But 2 is not less than or equal to 1. Yes or no? 2 is not less than or equals to 1. So therefore 2 comma 1 does not belongs to R. So therefore R is what? Not symmetric. Clear? One order pair sikitandra, our work is done over here. Fine. R is not symmetric. That's it. Next is we have what? Yes. Next is another namga. What we have, guys, here? Symmetric is done. Transitive. Transitive. Transitive, how we can do, guys? For all, we'll take. Yes. What order pairs can we take? Tell me first. Yarare ಹೇಳ್ರಿ what order pairs can we take? Sir, equivalent relation, sir. This is not a equivalence relation, appa. This is not symmetrical. Telugu gaming. This is not an equivalence relation. R is not symmetric over here. It is transitive. Sure, it is transitive. Yes. How we can do? General method in the ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಾ? For all A comma B belongs to R. Okay. And B comma C belongs to R. Fine. A comma B belongs to R implies that A is less than or equals to B, and B comma C belongs to R under B less than or equals to C. So if A is less than or equals to B, B is less than or equals to C. This implies that A is less than or equals to C. This implies that A comma C belongs to R. Correct? So yes, automatically in आता transitive verify आता. So it is not symmetric and it is transitive. 3 marks problem. Clear? General method you can go. Yes. For symmetric, they are telling check if, justify anatilla. Okay, they are not telling over here justify. That's it. Next, these two problems are there. Okay, show that the relation are defined on the set of triangles given by T1 comma T2. T is similar to T2 is an equivalence relation. Check if the relation defined by B is equals to A plus 1 reflexive, symmetric or transitive. Again see, check whether. Correct or no? So here they are telling that it is check whether. Correct? ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನಾಗ ಏನನ್ನತ್ತಾರ ಶೋ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಆರ್. ಸೊ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಜನರಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅದ ಗೈಸ್? ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ಜನರಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಬೈ ಜನರಲ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಡನ್. ಚಲೋ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. Show that the relation R in the set A x such that x belongs to Z, x is in between 0 and 12, given by R is equals to A comma B such that mod of A minus B is a multiple of 4 is an equivalence relation. Yes, do this problem, guys. Do this problem. Okay, similarly over here in this first problem ಮಾಡಿದ್ವು ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾವು, ಇದು first problem ನಾಗ alternate problems are there. 3 problems are there. One is this, correct? Another one is R is equals to A comma B such that A is less than or equals to B square. Okay. Another problem is R is equals to A comma B such that A is less than or equals to B cube. All these 3 problems practice ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. All these 3 problems practice and go, guys. Okay. Done ada? Done. Chalo. Next problem do. this is done. Yes, do this problem. Start with reflexive condition. Start with reflexive. Okay, reflexive, what we say, for all A belongs to what? Yes, the set A, your A comma A must belongs to R. Correct? Relation R. A comma A belongs to R means this implies that what? Mod of A minus A is a multiple of 4. Correct? Multiple of 4. This implies that your 0 is a multiple of 4. Yes or no? 0 is multiple of every number. So 0 is also a multiple of 4. So ये नाथिलिंदा verify आता. This is a reflexive relation over here. Understood? All will satisfy. Very nice. Clear? Clear Ada? Okay. Yes, Appa, I speak Konkani also. Okay. Fine. So 0 is a multiple of 4. Relation in आता, reflexive आता. Next है अदक होगा ना symmetric. Clear? So symmetric, what it says, condition guys, for all A comma B belongs to, okay, so we can say that if A comma B, okay, if A comma B are two elements belonging to the set A, then, okay, if your A comma B belongs to R, A comma B belongs to R andre na, this implies that mod of A minus B is multiple of 4, okay, is a multiple of 4. So if mod of A minus B is a multiple of 4, this implies that mod of negative sign common tagondra minus of B minus A is again a multiple of 4. Correct or no? Is a multiple of 4. So illinda ena agtada, this implies that mod of B minus A is a multiple of 4. So if it is a multiple of 4, I can tell that B comma A belongs to R. Correct? So it is symmetric also. Conclude madril, it is symmetric also. Okay? Yes, it will become definitely what? Symmetric also and transitive also. Correct? Transitive kuda ಆಗ್ತದ. Transitive ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? If A comma B comma, yes, if A comma B comma C belongs to A, okay, belongs to A, then if we take A comma B belongs to R, ಏನು ಇಂಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗ್ತದ? mod of A minus B, mod of A minus B is multiple of 4. Correct? Multiple of 4. Similarly, your B comma C also belongs to R. If, okay, if and then we need to show mod of B minus C is again a multiple of 4 over here. Correct or no? Now two numbers are there, multiple of 4. Correct? 4 and 8 another multiple of 4 other. If I add them, 4 and 8 will be 12. 12 is a multiple of 4 Allah. Correct or no? So therefore, what I can tell over here guys, I can tell that your mod of A minus B plus mod of B minus C is multiple of 4. Sum of two numbers will again be multiple of 4 over here. Correct? So ಏನಾಗ್ತದಿಲ್ಲಿ, if we add this, it will be A minus B plus B minus C. Cancel aata is a multiple of 4, or this implies that mod of A minus C is a multiple of 4, or therefore A comma C belongs to R. So if A comma C belongs to R, then definitely it is transitive also. Clear? It is an equivalence relation. Clear guys? It is an equivalence relation. Marks distribution nim bekandra, you will get 1 mark over here. Okay? You will get 1 mark for this, and again you will get 1 marks for this. Okay? So the method is important. Done? Clear Ada? Chalo. Next. Prove that cos inverse of 4 by 5 plus cos inverse of 12 by 13 is equals to cos inverse of 33 by 65. Okay? Do this. Do it guys. Do it. Guys, please sit and study pa. Huh? Do. Do this guys. Cos inverse of 4 by 5 plus cos inverse of 12 by 13 should be equals to cos inverse of 33 by 65. 2 marks also will be done. Deepak will finish 3 marks and go to 2 marks. Okay? ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್? ಈಸಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? Yes or no? So cos inverse of we'll take cos inverse of 4 by 5 is equal to alpha. So cos alpha value will be nothing but what? 4 by 5. Yes, correct. Now if we construct the triangle over here, okay, if you construct the triangle over here, fine. So this is nothing but what? This is 4, this is 5, then this will be what? 3 over here, correct. So in tan alpha value enagtada, tan alpha value will be 3 by 4, fine. Similarly next over here, okay, cos inverse of 12 by 13 is equals to what? Beta, correct. So cos beta value is nothing but what? 12 by 13 over here, okay. So if you again construct the triangle, fine. So this is nothing but what? 12 in other, this is 12, this is 13, okay. So 169 minus 144, 2500, this is 5 over here. So tan beta value is nothing but what? 5 by 12. Clear with this? Okay. Now coming to this main problem, after doing this over here, okay. So ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ, this we have taken it as alpha plus beta is equals to cos inverse of 33 by 65. Correct or no? ಈ ರೀತಿ ಅದ. So ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ, if I take this side, so it will be cos of alpha plus beta is equal to 33 by 65. ಈ equation 1 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, okay. So if I take the LHS of this, LHS ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, it will be cos of alpha plus beta, okay. So if I expand this, it will be cos alpha, cos beta, okay, minus sin alpha into sin beta over here, okay. So yes, if we solve this, fine. So here I need to find sin beta value. Sin beta value will be nothing but what? 5 by 13, okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದ, yes, what we'll get over here guys sorry, sin alpha value over here will be nothing but what? 3 by 5, correct ada? 3 by 5. Now if we multiply cos alpha into cos beta, 12 fours will be nothing but 48, 48 divided by 65 minus 5 threes are 15, 15 divided by what? 65, correct. So which is nothing but what? 48 minus 15 is 33 divided by 65. So this is the equation 2 over here. So definitely what will happen now? If you compare, this is equals to what? Your RHS. So verified Allah. This is verified. Understood? This is the method of solving. Understood the method of solving guys over here? Tell me. Clear or no? ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? This is the method. Okay? Done? Chalo. Next problem will go. Prove that 2 sin inverse 3 by 5 is equals to tan inverse of 24 by 7. Do this guys. ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನ, quickly do it. Quickly do it. Do it guys, fast. Can anyone drop down the method in chat box? Fast. Can anyone drop down the method in chat box? Fast. Prove. ಸುಮ್ ಕುಂತ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ. ಡೇ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ ಇಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಗೈಸ್. ಒಟ್ಟ ಚಿಂತಿನ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. No, they will not give ma. The night stalker they will not give. Definitely it will not come. Don't worry, okay. Ashtu tough problems will not come for your board exams. KCET they might give. Yes. 2 sin inverse of 3 by 5 is equals to, we need to prove that it is tan inverse of 24 by 7. Cos square A is equals to 1 minus sin square A. Formula. Necessary to use that. We'll take LHS over here. LHS ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Okay, LHS. Okay. So what will happen over here guys? Or else we'll go by this. Sin inverse of 3 by 5. We'll take it as equals to theta. Correct? Clear ada? Understood alla? So ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ. From your given equation, it will be 2 theta equal to tan inverse of 24 by 7. Or from here, you will have tan 2 theta tan 2 theta is equals to 24/7. Okay, understood this? Ist method clear ada? So next if tan 2 theta, I'll take the LHS of this. Okay, LHS tagolana. LHS is nothing but what? Tan 2 theta. Clear? Tan 2 theta formula is nothing but what? 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. Correct? Now see here guys, what we have? We have sin theta is equals to 3/5. Correct? Sin theta is equals to 3/5. Triangle construct madidre, if this is an angle theta over here, if we construct the triangle, this is an angle theta over here. Theta opposite will be 3. This will be 5. This will be 4. So in the tan theta value will be nothing but what? 3/4. Understood or no? So if we substitute over here, it will be 2 into 3/4 divided by 1 minus 9/16. Okay. So yes, if you solve this, 2 ones are 2s are correct. So 3/2 banta. Here if you solve this, 16 minus 9 will be 7 divided by 16. Correct or no? So it will be 3/2 into 16/7. So 2 ones are 2 8s are 8 3s are is 24. 24/7, which is nothing but your RHS. Clear ada? Understood guys? Method of solving this. Clear it is? Understood or no? So 24/7 is the answer. That is what we had to prove. Okay? Done? So next question will go. Write tan inverse of root of 1 plus x square minus 1 divided by x in the simplest form. In the simplest form you need to write it. This is enough to score 100 out of 100 amma. Okay? This is enough to score 100 out of 100. Sara Yendi Geri. Done na? Yes. In martirille. So we need to express in the simple form. So x is equals to, can we take it as sin theta over here guys? Can we take x is equals to sin theta? Correct? So it will be nothing but what? Tan inverse of, yes, under root of 1 minus sin square theta. Directly madatini, artha madkolri. In exam you need to do it detail. 1 plus sin square theta is nothing but what? 1 plus sin square theta la. Okay, 1 plus sin square theta, we don't have any form. So x is equals to what we can take? What we can substitute over here? X equal to, yes, tell fast. X is equals to, can we take what? X equal to tan theta na tagoboda. X is equals to tan theta we can take. Okay. Yes, x is equals to tan theta will take 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but what? Secant square theta. Outside root bandra secant theta minus 1 divided by tan theta. Clear? Understood guys? So tan inverse of, illinda ಏನು ಆಗ್ತದ? Secant theta can be written as 1 minus cos theta minus 1 divided by sin theta divided by cos theta over here. Okay? ಈ ರೀತಿ ಅದ. So next understand this. Next step what we can do over here, it will be tan inverse of, yes, 1 minus cos theta, okay, 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta, okay, 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta. So which will be equals to tan inverse of, now 1 minus cos theta is nothing but what? 1 minus cos theta can be written as 2 sin square theta by 2, okay. Again this can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Clear ada? Ishta artha aita? So 2 2 will get cancelled, this and this will get cancelled. So tan inverse of, it will be nothing but what? Tan theta by 2. Okay. So which will be nothing but what? Theta by 2 from here. Theta by 2. Clear ada ala? So theta by 2 is nothing but what? Theta enada illinda tan inverse of x. Correct. So the simplified form of this is nothing but what? 1 by 2 tan inverse of x. Simplified form. Understood? Okay. Fine. Most of the question I am giving as a homework guys. Okay. Next node really. Yes, express 3 5 1 minus 1 as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Easy problem, practice madri idanna. Okay. easy problem, practice it. 1 by 2 tan inverse of x, very nice, correct adala. Okay, so definitely if you see over here guys, you can practice this problem. E problem, same type of problem it is. This matrix you need to express sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Only 2 questions I have taken. Out of 2 questions, 1 must come, and this is 1 question. Okay, x plus y is equals to 7025. Okay, and x minus y is equals to 3003. Find x and y. ಎರಡು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಚಾಲು ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಇವ್ರ IPL. ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಿರಾಟ್ ಕೊಹ್ಲಿ and ಧೋನಿ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕುಂತ ಅವ್ರ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ PUC ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರ್ದು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರ. ಫೈನ್, ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್, ಡನ್. Okay, x plus y is 7025, x minus y is 3003. Okay, done. Chalo, next question ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. Yes, find dy by dx if x is equals to a cos theta plus theta sin theta and y is equals to a sin theta minus theta cos theta. dy by dx, parametric form of differentiation. Will you practice this question? ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? Okay, use code Vellappa. Others are there who are watching this class. You are disturbing them, no? It is wrong thing, right? Yes or no? It is wrong thing, right? Yes. So here if you find dx by d theta first, dx by d theta, it is equals to what? A times cos theta differentiation is what? Sin theta, correct? Il differentiation madbekadra it will be nothing but what? Yes, cos theta differentiation is minus sin theta. Okay, and when you differentiate over here, it is theta differentiation is 1, so plus sin theta, plus it will be nothing but what? Theta cos theta. Okay, so it cancel aata. Fine, so dx by d theta value, dx by d theta is nothing but a theta cos theta. Okay, a theta cos theta. Clear ada? Done. Next, dy by d theta, dy by d theta, it is equals to what? A times sin theta differentiation is cos theta minus cos theta. Okay, illen ಆಗ್ತದ plus theta sin theta. Cos theta differentiation minus of minus plus cancel aata. So it is nothing but what? A theta sin theta. So if you see over here students, your dy by dx will be nothing but what? Dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta over here. Okay, so in banta dy by d theta, it is a theta sin theta divided by a theta cos theta. Okay, so this will get cancelled. Sin theta by cos theta is nothing but what? Tan theta. That's it. Clear guys? Clear ada? Okay, chalo. So yes, these 2 problems are there. Practice madri idana. It is exponent to the power of variable to the power of variable. You need to apply log. Okay, variable to the power of variable, you need to apply what? Log. Understood, no? So you can practice this. ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅದು. ಓಕೆ, ಡನ್. ಚಲೋ, ಸೇಮ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡೆಡ್ ಗೈಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್. 1 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಇಯರ್. ಡನ್. ಚಲೋ, find 2 positive numbers x and y such that x plus y is equals to 60 and x y cube is maximum. X y cube is what? Maximum. Clear? Do it guys. Yes, do it. I think this problem was there in 2025. Okay, 2025 M1 exam 1 same problem banditta, so I don't think so it will repeat ago chances kammi adava. Understood? This question had come in your first exam, so there is very less chance of repeating it, so let us not do it. Okay, let us not do it. Fine guys, done. Chalo. So find the interval in which the function f given by f of x is equals to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 36x plus 7 is strictly increasing. Yes, strictly increasing guys. Done. Easy adala. This problem is easy, right? So for f of x to be strictly increasing, okay, for f of x to be strictly increasing, condition is what, guys? For f of x to be strictly increasing. See, now you have practiced for KCET, so it feels very easy. Yes or no? F dash of x should be greater than 0. So all differentiation madidra, it will be 6 times of x square, okay, minus 3 2s are 6x, fine, and minus 36 should be greater than 0, correct? 6 common tagondra, it will be x square minus x minus 6 should be greater than 0. How can we factorize this? How can we factorize 6 times of, yes, minus 6 ada, 3 2s are minus and plus over here, so it can be factorized as x minus 3 into x plus 2 should be greater than 0, correct or no? So once it is in we can go for what? Wavy curve method. Okay, just we need to determine the intervals ala. We need to determine intervals. So a minus 2 will come over here, 3 will be there over here, and this is minus infinity and this is infinity, correct? So I'll take any point, 0 tagodonanta. 0 is the easiest value. So if I take x is equals to 0 over here, it will be nothing but what? Yes, negative rather than positive, it will be negative. Okay, so it will be negative. So this is negative, this is positive, so this is positive. Where f dash of x is greater than 0? F dash of x is greater than 0 for all x belongs to minus infinity to minus 2 union 3 to infinity, correct? So therefore I can tell that f of x is strictly increasing for, fine, strictly increasing open interval bartada for x belongs to minus infinity to minus 2 union 3 to infinity. Okay, so here in question nodri, question next strictly increasing anatar. Okay, so in question they are telling strictly increasing. So here what we need to include, guys, we need to include this intervals, open interval. Okay, if they would have told increasing, closed intervals bartava ashta. Tritala. Done? Clear ada? Chalo. Next problem we go na. Find the intervals in which the function is increasing and decreasing. So f dash of x greater than 0, f dash of x less than 0. Practice this. ಎಲ್ಲ PPT ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, PDF ನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಡನ್ ಗೈಸ್? ಎಸ್, ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕಪ್ಪ. ಎಸ್, integration of x by x plus 1 into x plus 2 or 2x by x square plus 1 into x square plus 2. Partial fraction method. ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಇದನ್ನ? ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? Tell me guys, will you people do this problem? If you will do, I'll skip. ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? Tell fast. Integration of x divided by x plus 1, x plus 2 or 2x by x square plus 1, x square plus 2. Okay, both are by partial fraction method. First one is very easy. First one simple ada. Bekidre second one madodanta. We'll do the second one over here. Okay. Fine. I'll do the second one over here. Partial fraction method. So another note really. Second one. We have nothing but what? 2x divided by x square plus 1. Okay. And x square plus 2 equal to x square plus 2. Yes, both are non-reducible quadratic form. Non-reducible quadratic form. So again after the ax plus b divided by, it will be nothing but what? X square plus 1 plus cx plus d divided by what? X square plus 2. Okay. Ee riti banta. Fine. So next from here, if I take LCM, 2x will be equals to what? Ax plus b multiplied by x square plus 2 bartadilli plus cx plus d multiplied by what we have? X square plus 1. Okay, ee riti banta. So now what you can do guys over here? Multiply maadi, you can start equating and find the values of x. Okay, clear guys? Yes. So if you multiply over here, or else if you take x value as anything, fine. So first multiply madkolona. 2x is equals to, here what we have? Ax cube, correct? ax cube ಬರ್ತದ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2ax ಪ್ಲಸ್ bx ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2b ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈಗ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ cx ಕ್ಯೂಬ್, ಎಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ cx dx square plus d. Okay, so next thing over here students, what you'll get, 2x is equal to x cube, correct? So here there is a x cube, here there is a x cube. So if I take x cube common, it will be a plus c into x cube, correct? Plus x square term in notary b plus d x square. Okay, plus again what we have here, we have 2a and yes 2a and this 2a plus c x and plus 2b plus d. Equating each coefficient now, like coefficients on both the sides. So equate madidra, here I am doing it, fine. Okay, so or else here I will do. Chalo, we'll solve madona. Equating like coefficients on both the sides. So what will happen over here, we'll equate madidra, a plus c will be equals to what, 0, because all coefficient of x cube is what, 0 that side. Okay, b plus d kuda en bartada, b plus d will also be equals to what, yes tell me fast guys, b plus d will also be equals to 0. Ill equate madidra 2a plus c is equal to 2, because this will equated to this side, correct or no, 2 ಆಗ್ತದ, and 2b plus d will be equals to what, 0. Now see, c value equal to what, minus a, correct? So here if I substitute 2a minus a ಆಗ್ತದ, yes or no, c value is minus a, 2a minus a will be a value is 2. So if a value is 2, c value is what, minus 2. ಇಷ್ಟ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ, fine. And over here students now, b plus d is 0, 2b plus d is 0, b value is 0 and d value is also 0, correct ada? So all the values we have got over here, artha aita? So if we have got all the values, just come and substitute over here. So integration of 2x divided by x square plus 1 into x square plus 2 will be equals to what, integration of, ill nodri b value is 0, so it will be nothing but what, 2x divided by x square plus 1, fine, minus integration of, again allen bartada minus 2, so minus already written outside, 2x divided by x square plus 2. Okay, so just integrate now. If you integrate, it will be 2x, yes, x square plus 1 differentiation 2x ada, so it will be ln of x square plus 1 minus ln of x square plus 2. Okay, so answer will be nothing but what, ln of mod x square plus 1 divided by x square plus 2 plus c. Clear ada? Understood everyone? Clear or no? Clear ada? Done no? Yes, paper discussion kuda ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಪ್ಪ, fine. Done guys, clear ada? Okay, fine. Chalo, so this is how we are going to do this. Okay, next problem will go, yes, x tan inverse of x or x log x, partial fraction method, correct? Partial fraction method, fine. Partial fraction, sorry, not partial fraction method, integration by parts, integration by parts. Okay, this problem you can practice guys, you have to problem practice madri, important adava, both these problems are important. Okay, try to practice them at least once. Done? Hello Akash, done alla? Clear ada alla? Yes. So this is also by method of partial fraction guys. All these problems practice madri onesati. Okay, definitely practice, it will repeat in the exam. Okay, done? Chalo, state and prove section formula, state and prove section formula, vectors, correct? Vectors ala ida, vectors 3 marks, important. Okay, 2025 exam 1 naga, in 2025 exam 1 ಓಕೆ 2025 ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಒನ್ಯಾಗ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೇಮ್. ನಾವು this problem might come over here. Okay, this problem might come in what 2025 M2 exam nag barboda. Clear guys? Clear ada? Okay, done. Practice this. Okay, madri idanella already we have done it 10-15 times. Summa yak mad nim time waste madoda. Yes or no? Clear guys? Yes, already we have done. Refer to this. Yes, this problem, a, b and c are three vectors such that mod of a is 3, mod of b is 4, mod of c is 5, and each vector is orthogonal to the sum of the other vectors. Then find mod of a plus b plus c. Do it guys. Madri, I'll give you 2 minutes time, 1 minute time. Do it. Okay, yes Prajwal, I know it is lagging already. I asked you, sorry for that, very much sorry guys. Done na? Orthogonal means perpendicular to each other. Orthogonal means perpendicular. Okay, orthogonal meaning is perpendicular. Yes, I gone to Dubai. Sir, where you gone? I gone to Dubai. Okay, chalo. So what you have to do, they are telling that each vector is orthogonal to the sum of the other two vectors. Means that what? Vector A is perpendicular to vector B plus vector C. Correct? Sum of the other two vectors. Vector A is perpendicular to B plus C. Means that what? Vector A dot product with vector B plus vector C in bartada 0. Perpendicular under dot product is 0. Means that what? Vector A dot vector B plus vector A dot vector C should be equal to what? 0. Understood this? Clear other? So similarly we can tell that what guys? Similarly, fine. Similarly, we can tell that vector, yes, vector B dot vector C plus vector A is also equal to 0. Correct? Andre in a B dot C plus, yes, B dot A is also equal to 0. Correct? And also we can tell that vector C dot vector A plus vector B is also equal to 0. So C dot vector A plus C dot vector B is also equal to 0. Correct or no? Artha aita? Understood everyone? Done? Okay, clear ada? Okay, chalo. So here it will be nothing but what? 2 times of vector A dot vector B. Okay, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ. If I add this all equations, here this is equation 1, this is equation 2 and this is equation 3. If I add this all equations, okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, if I add this all 1 plus 2 plus 3, if I add this ಏನು ಬರ್ತದ? Plus B dot C plus C dot A is equal to 0. Okay, ಸರ್ ITF ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸಮ್ಮಿಗೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಂತ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಹಚ್ಚಬೇಕು? ಓಕೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಬಾಪ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಹಚ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನ್ ಗೈಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಏನು ಬಂತ? ಮಾಡ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಎ plus vector b plus vector c whole square formula ಏನದ mod of vector a square plus mod of vector b square plus mod of vector c square. Okay, plus 2 times of ಏನು ಬರ್ತದ vector a dot vector b plus vector b dot vector c plus vector c dot vector a. Okay, like this we'll get. So ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ what will happen from here students now? 3 square ಅದ 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square and this value is 0 over here. So ಏನು ಬಂತ 25 plus 25 50. So therefore mod of vector a plus vector b plus vector c is equals to root of 50 and this is nothing but what 25 into 2 or 5 root 2. 5 root 2 is the answer. Okay, clear it is. 5 root 2 is the answer. Okay, done. Tricks ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳಿಯಪ್ಪ tricks already see Kiran tricks has already been told no 1 plus x square idra okay see I'll tell you over here tricks andre idan ನೆನಪಿಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದ if you have 1 plus x square over here okay substitution ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ x is equals to tan theta or x equal to cot theta okay substitution ನಾಗ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳತ್ತೇನೆ ನಾನು 1 minus x square ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರ you'll use x is equals to sin theta okay or x is equals to cos theta fine yes x square minus 1 ittandra you'll use what x is equals to secant theta or x is equals to cosecant theta okay these are some basic needed ist nenapidri saku okay yes done chalo done yes yes 3 vectors a b and c satisfy the condition a plus b plus c is equals to 0 evaluate the quantity mu times a dot b b dot c c dot a if this vector is given see just opposite problem okay opposite problem other than the previous one you can practice this fine practice madri idanna don't go to give up practice this problem clear ada understood okay done chalo derive the equation of a line in the space both in Cartesian form and vector form nodri question number 37 it is this can come okay already bandada fine already it has come guys 2025 first exam it has come clear so definitely e time repeat ago sir doubt ada okay done nimdu uk namdu uk we are UKs yes or no done guys 2025 m1 naಗ ಬಂದಿತ್ತಿದ derive the equation of the line in the space both in Cartesian and vector form you can do this okay practice ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನ all which I am writing practice or after them slides whatever I am leaving practice ಮಾಡ್ರಿ okay next problem over here find the shortest distance between the lines r is equals to I plus 2j plus k plus lambda times I minus j plus k and r is equals to 2i minus j plus k mu times 2i plus j plus 2k okay so ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ shortest distance formula is nothing but what mod of a2 vector minus a1 vector okay dot product with b1 vector cross b2 vector divided by mod of vector b1 cross vector b2 okay this mod so if you see over here guys if you see over here this is nothing but what your a1 vector is named the b1 vector ಆಗ್ತದ fine this is a1 this is b1 this is a2 and this is b2 over here solve this now quickly solve ಮಾಡಿ answer ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನಂಗೆ drop your answer in chat box yes all are feeling same Kiran okay due to problem of YouTube all are feeling same class is lagging for most of them okay yes quickly solve ಮಾಡ answer ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನಂಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ shortest distance formula is given formula is this vectors are there you know how to find cross product quickly find ಮಾಡ್ರಿ do it guys do it Done. Clear ada? What is the answer? Answer ಏನು ಬಂದದ? Tell me fast guys. What is the answer for this? Solve ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು? Solve ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. Yes, answer guys. Answer ಏನು ಬಂದದ? No one has got the answer. Yes. Okay, you can practice this. Practice ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Clear? So next problem is also angle between two lines. Find the angle between two lines. Okay, two lines is there. Fine. Angle between two lines. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ angle between two lines? Yes, what is the method for angle between two lines when vector form is given? Cos theta is equals to mod of b1, yes, b1 dot b2 divided by mod of vector b1 mod of vector b2. Correct? ಈ ರೀತಿ ಅದ. Understood this? Cos theta is equals to b1 dot b2 divided by mod of b1 mod of b2. Okay, both are similar. Fine. Done. What should I reply? Yes, this is definitely enough. This is definitely enough. Okay. Clear guys? Same concept question, same question bandil andrunu, it will come on concepts. Okay. Fine. Not mod, its magnitude. Mod and magnitude both are same. Okay. Done. Yes. Part C. Part C is your 2 marks problems. Part C Allah. This should be your part B. Clear? 2 marks problems. Fine. 2 marks problems. Okay. Clear guys? See. E problem notary. Cot inverse of 1 by root of x square minus 1 express in the simplest form. Express in the simplest form. Notary ಇಲ್ಲಿ denominator ನಾಗ ಏನದ? What do we have in denominator over here? X square minus 1 ada. So x we can take it equals to what now? Whenever it is x square minus 1, I told that take x is equals to secant theta or cosecant theta. ನಾನೇನು ತಗೊಳತೀನಿ? I'll take cosecant theta. Okay? Or else I'll take secant theta over here. I'll take secant theta. So theta ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ? Secant inverse of x. Clear ada? So it will be nothing but what? See here, cot inverse of, fine, 1 divided by root of, it will be secant square theta minus 1. Fine, secant square theta minus 1. So it will be cot inverse of, yes, 1 by secant square theta minus 1 is tan square theta, root ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ tan theta ಆಗ್ತದ. Now 1 by tan theta is nothing but what? Cot theta. So cot inverse of cot theta. Okay, so which is nothing but what? Theta over here. Clear ada? So theta value is nothing but what here? Secant inverse of x. This is the simplest form. Understood? Clear ada? Kiran, ಕೇಳ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಬಂದಾಗ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಡನ್. ಚಲೋ, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ರೈಟ್ ದ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ tan inverse of cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x. Cos x plus sin x. So ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ? What you people will do over here? This will be tan inverse of, yes, cos x sin common ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, if you take cos x sin common, it will be 1 minus tan x. Okay, divided by, because sin x by cos x, again cos x common, 1 plus tan x. Clear? So this will get cancelled. Now tan inverse of, shortcut ida, 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x is nothing but what? Tan pi by 4. Okay, tan pi by 4 minus x expansion aitida. Yes or no? So what will happen guys over here? Remaining will be pi by 4 minus x. This is the simplest form. Okay, understood? Pi by 4 minus x. Clear guys? Clear ada? Understood everyone? Okay, chalo. Next problem ही होगा ना. Show that sine inverse of 2x root of 1 minus x square is equals to 2 sine inverse of x if x lies between that range. Okay, you can practice this problem. Very easy problem ada. Simple substitution madidra you can show LHS is equals to what? RHS. 1 minus x square is there. Whenever it is like this, I told you what to substitute. Done? Yes, very nice. Chalo. So show that the points are collinear. Okay, show that these points are collinear by method of determinants. Fine. Applications of determinants. Area we know that is half by mod of, yes, points x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Okay. Now from here, if area is 0, if area is equals to 0, this implies points are collinear. Okay, points are collinear. Clear? That means that what? A determinant value you expand ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, which determinant you need to expand? You need to expand this determinant, correct? You need to expand this determinant. That is your a, b plus c, 1. Fine. Again, it will be nothing but what? B, c plus a, 1. And again c, a plus b, 1. If you expand this determinant over here, okay, this determinant anna you expand madidra, if you get 0, then definitely our answer will be verified. Okay, method of solving. Next problem, find the area of the triangle. Easy ada, practice madri idanna. Fine, practice these problems. Clear? 2 marks all I have solved guys once. Okay, this problem kuda same ada. Find the equation of the line. 1 point you can take it as what? Over here, take x comma y as a point. Clear adala? Is it clear? Fine. Yes. So yes guys, that's it I think. Fine. Remaining problems ella easy adava. See this problem, dy by dx find madoda. Okay, this problem practice madri idella problems. Implicit form of differentiation. Yes, do this problem. Do this problem quickly. Do this. Which sea you want to go apart to catch the fish? Exam ಬರ್ದು ಹೋಗ ಆಮೇಲೆ fish ಹಿಡಿಯಾಕ ಏನು ಹಿಡಿತಿ ಹಿಡಿ. Okay, do it guys. Yes, how do we differentiate this? ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ differentiate ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Implicit form, 2 times of sin x. Sin x differentiation will be what? Cos x. Again plus, okay, cos y differentiation minus ಬರ್ತದ, so 2 cos y into sin y. Okay, minus already I have taken over here. Y differentiation will be dy by dx is equals to 0. Correct? So 2 sin x cos x is nothing but what? Sin 2x minus sin 2y. Okay, dy by dx equal to 0. So if you cross multiply from here, dy by dx value will be nothing but what? Sin 2x divided by sin 2y. Okay, I hope you people are getting the same answer. Same answer bartideya. Sin 2x divided by sin 2y. Okay, understood? Chalo, very nice. Next question you go na. See, all these problems after this are simple guys. Okay, once the practice madak try madri, definitely you will get the answer. Okay, yes, there is no such difficult problem. Fine. Yes, e problem on mat. Find mod of x. Okay, you need to find mod of x if for a is a unit vector. Okay, a is a unit vector. Do this guys. Do this. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಐತಿ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅದನ್ನ. ಓಕೆ, once just refer. So yes, what can we do over here students? Multiply this. Okay, vector x dot vector x ಬರ್ತದ. Here it will be plus vector x dot vector a minus vector A dot vector X minus vector A dot vector A is equals to 12. Now by property, just by property we know that this is mod of vector X whole square plus vector X dot vector A. Then reverse madidra, it will be minus of vector X dot vector A because commutative property. Minus mod of vector A whole square is equals to 12. This cancel aata. Commutative property in the, I can reverse it and write mod of x square, let it be as it is. This they are telling that it is a unit vector, so 1 is equals to 12. So mod of x square is 13. So mod of x the square root of 13. Everyone is getting same answer, square root of 13. Okay. Done. Clear? Okay. Fine, guys. Yes. So this is the answer. Okay. So next in problem ada this. Find the value of p so that the lines 1 minus x by 3, 7y minus 14 by 2p and z minus 3 by 2 and 7 minus 7x by 3p, y minus 5 by 1, 6 minus z by 5 are at right angles. Do this, guys. Madri. Do it. Do it properly. Yes. First of all, now in madveka, first of all, listen here, guys. We need to express this in standard form. If I multiply by minus sign, okay, so x minus 1 divided by minus 3 vartad. Standard form, okay, is equals to, I'll take 7 common and divide, so y minus, it will be 2 divided by 2p by 7 will be equal to, idain change agangilla, z minus 3 divided by 2. Okay, standard form nag just express madaten nana, again nothing I am doing. Over here, if I take minus 7 common, so illen agtada x minus 1 divided by minus 3p by 7. Minus 7 I have taken common. Clear ada? So next here it will not change. Y minus 5 divided by 1. Here it will be z minus 6 divided by minus 5. Now, since it is at right angles, okay, our right angle, so what we know, a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equal to 0 since it is at right angle. So multiply madidra, minus into minus plus 9p divided by, it will be nothing but what, 7. b1 into b2, 2p by 7. Okay, 2p by 7. c1 into c2, it will be minus 10 is equals to 0. So yes, 11p is equals to 11p by 7. 11p by 7 is equal to 10, or this implies your p value is what, 70 by 11. Important problem, guys. Okay, can come. This problem has the potential to come. Okay, understood alla ida? Ist clear ada? Okay, fine. Yes. So that's it, guys. Okay, that's it. Remaining whatever is there, PDF kodten nana refer madri. Okay, remaining whatever is there, I'll give you PDF. Okay, PDF or whatever PPT is there, just after the class I'll give. Practice madri. All the questions whatever is there, practice it, guys. Fine. Definitely it will help you in the exam. Understood? No? Definitely it will help you in the what? Examination. One time practice madri sak. Okay, tomorrow evening you have time no anyhow. So definitely practice. Aram se practice madidra 60 marks sure shot bartav. And when you are practicing, understand the questions. Fine. I'll give it in comment box only. Comment box naga drive will upload ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ in 1 hour up till 8:30 I'll give you. Okay, 8:30 ಮಟ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಔಟ್. 50+ ಅಂತೂ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 60 ಮಟ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ದೆನ್ MCQ ನೀವು KCET ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಓದಿದ್ರಿ, ಈ ಟೈಮ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಿ. ಇವನ್ MCQ ಟಫ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಎನಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟೀಸ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಟ್. ಯಾಕೆ? ರೀಸನ್ ವೈ KCET you people have attended the classes nicely. Understood? No, don't panic. MCQ tough ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಬರ್ತದ. ಪ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಮೇಕ್ ಶೂರ್ ದಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂದದಲ್ಲ, ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ದಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಗೈಸ್? ಡನ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಸೊ ಏನಾರೇ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಬೈ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಸೆಷನ್ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ 68 ಸರ್. ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್ ನೋ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಅನದರ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಪುಷ್ ಅ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪುಷ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್. ಶನ್ನು ಅವರ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪುಷ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಯೋರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ರೀಚ್ 75. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? 75 to 76. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು. ಪುಷ್ ಯೋರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ಅಪ್ ಟುಡೇ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ ಗೈಸ್. ಓಕೆ ತೇತ PDF ಹರ್ಷ ಅವರೇ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೇನಂತ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಲಿಂಕ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಎಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ದಟ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ವಾಟ್ PPT ಆರ್ PDF ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಷನ್. ಓಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಸಾಕ. ಸಿ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರವರ್ಸಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಪ್ಪ. ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಅಪ್ಪ. ನಾನು ನೀಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟಿ ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. ಫೈನ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟಿ. ನಂಗೆ ನೀಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ನೀಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ. ಓಕೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್ ಅಪ್ಪ ನಿಶ್ಚಯ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್ ಮಾ. ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್, ಡನ್ ಗೈಸ್. ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? ಎಸ್, ಚಲೋ ಬೈ. ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ಡೂ ವೆಲ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಬಿ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್. ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೋರಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಆಗಿ. And we'll see you in the paper discussion. Okay, hopefully everyone's paper will be good. Hoping for that. Wish you all the best students. Correct ag madri. Wish you all the best. Give your best shot and do well in the examination. Thank you my dear students. Sir.